Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Quizlet Live. This dynamic game transforms learning into an exciting, collaborative experience for your students. It's designed to reinforce knowledge and encourage teamwork through friendly competition. Students work together in small groups, matching terms with their correct definitions. This interactive approach helps build quick recall and strengthens essential teamwork abilities, making study sessions more engaging and effective for everyone involved. To start a game, first select a study set containing at least 6 terms and their corresponding definitions. From the study set page, simply click on the Live option. You will then choose your game mode, either term and definition or definition and term matching. Once selected, a unique 6-digit game code will appear on your screen. Project this code for your students to see so they can easily join the game using their own devices. Students join by navigating to Quizlet, live on their personal devices and entering the 6-digit game code you provide. After inputting their name, they are automatically assigned to a random team. Each team then receives one device, which displays 4 potential answer options. Team members must collaborate and communicate effectively to identify and select the single correct term or definition that matches the prompt shown on their screen, fostering quick decision-making. To win Quizlet Live, a team must correctly answer 12 consecutive questions without making any errors. If a team selects an incorrect answer at any point, their progress resets immediately back to 0, adding an exciting challenge. The very first team to successfully achieve 12 correct answers in a row is declared the winner of that round. After a game concludes, you can easily shuffle the teams and restart for another engaging round of learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.